So people are asking me, what is MealWars? Why are you doing this? Why? I think they think I'm gonna battle other YouTubers or something. Like, all right, Max Miller, we're tasting history at 10 paces. But no, as interesting as it might be to watch Max mop the floor with me, that's not why we're here. We're here because the way I look at it, we're fighting a war to keep our families fed and healthy in this crazy world. There are constant battles. Battles for our time, for our money, for our energy. And, making the food actually good is another battle in itself. Finding ways to fight those battles is what MealWars is all about. Now, that doesn't mean that we shy away from complicated things, and we always have fun. But it does mean that we try and keep our equipment that we use as simple and economical as possible. We try and use ingredients that are accessible to the average person, and we approach our recipes in a way that can fit into our schedule, not the schedule of somebody who does nothing but cook all day. Look, people are gleefully ordering meatloaf in restaurants. Meatloaf in restaurants, people! Somebody's got to do something. I choose to fight for the soul of the family kitchen. So please join us, because there's strength in numbers, and we need all the help we can get. Together, I think that not only can we fight these battles, I think we can win this war. Thanks for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time.